Hello everybody. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Boardroom to monitor and optimize your advertising. So I'm logged into Boardroom and I've come over here to Advertising under Insights in the menu. And you can see that I'm looking at this Advertising Insights page here. I can click this button and connect an ad account into Boardroom. You can connect unlimited ad accounts into the same Boardroom dashboard. So you can see here in the chart below that I've got a Facebook ad account and a Google ad account integrated into my Boardroom dashboard for the sake of this example. Now I can choose to report on one brand or multiple brands if I have multiple stores connected into Boardroom. I can also change the date filter here and look at any date range that I'd like. And right here we can see my basic ad platform KPIs. So these are my blended metrics across all of my connected advertising accounts. So this is a big time saver for me if I want to have a true understanding of how much I'm really spending on advertising and what the results of that spending truly are. So conversion value is the revenue that's being generated from my ads. I can see my blended cost per click across all platforms, conversion rate, return on ad spend, and the number of conversions as well. So down here we got this interactive chart, which allows me to visualize the trend in my data. You can see that I'm looking at ad spend right now as the metric, but I could toggle this and look at any metric here from the top of this page that I'd like to look at. For example, if I wanted to instead take a peek at conversion value and see how that was trending across different platforms, I could do so just by toggling this metric column right here. Now, I can also change how I group this data by day, month, or year, but Boardroom's default settings will take care of that for you. I could also update this bar chart to be a line chart or a radar chart if I wanted to. And I can come over here to the left side of the page where I can see my filters. So I can filter down to look at one particular advertising account at a time if I wanted to. And you can see the chart updates in real time as I check that box, as do the metrics at the top of the screen. I could also drill down into one specific platform, one specific campaign or multiple campaigns, or even ad sets here as well. And let's say there's a particular view that I like to review commonly in Boardroom. I could even create a new saved view. So let's say I wanted to create a default filter for my Google advertising data. I could set that up and then just load up that filter with the click of a button next time I log into Boardroom, just by clicking this new view button right here. So that's our ad platform comparison chart. Hopefully you can see how this is a big time saver if you're looking to evaluate your advertising spend across different platforms. Scrolling down from here, we can see that I've got this top performers section, which gives me another view into the performance of my advertising. What I'm doing here is highlighting my top campaigns, ad sets, and ads based on return on ad spend, which is probably the most important metric to keep your eye on when it comes to your advertising. So Boardroom just makes it very simple for you to easily evaluate the most effective elements of your advertising campaigns so you know where to reinvest your marketing budget later, and you can also know on the flip side where to cut your budget back in order to save money. Scrolling down here, we have these handy grids that give me a view into all of the granular data about my campaigns across different platforms and different campaigns. You can see all the basic stats here are included, and Boardroom allows you to create easy filters and sorting and run reports by exporting this data to Excel if you need to as well. So this is a way that you can really dig into your advertising data in a much more user-friendly way than using the native Google Ads platform or Facebook Ads platform. And this is better too because it gets all of your data into one place, so you can really monitor the entirety of your business at once when you're using Boardroom. Scrolling down from here, I also have similar grids for ad sets and advertisements as well. So you can see how we give you sort of a full range of data that you can have at your full disposal here in Boardroom to make the most data-driven decisions possible when managing your e-commerce business. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.